How to fix touchpad in Windows 10 and 11. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, search for FN key on your keyboard. Click on FN key, and with FN key, you will find F9 key. Simply click on FN and F9. And then your touch disabled will be turned off, and that's how to fix touchpad on Windows 10 and 11. After doing that, if your touchpad is disabled, it will be enabled and you'll be able to use it. That's how to fix touchpad in Windows 10 and 11. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophie signing off. Until next time.